When is the purchase of a real estate property actually under contract? We're going to talk about it in this episode of Ryan and Real Estate. Let's go. Welcome back to another episode, Ryan and Real Estate. Hopefully this is useful information for you. We're trying to answer as many questions, help bring value to you, help you understand real estate, the process of purchasing a home, maybe you're a realtor. We're trying to help you in any way we can when it comes to real estate. Today we are wait, before we start, if you haven't done so, make sure to click that subscribe button, like this post, and please, if you have any questions, put those in the comments. I'd love to answer any I could. All right, let's get started. In Texas, a real estate purchase becomes binding and real under contract when the following conditions are met. Let's first start off with offer comes in and the seller accepts it, still isn't done yet. The buyer then makes that offer to purchase the property. Seller accepts the offer without any changes to or counter offers to that original contract. And then once the acceptance occurs and both parties have reached an agreement on the terms of the sale, and then it's executed and then it's sent to the title company, both the buyer and the seller have to sign this to indicate their acceptance of the terms. The contract should then be delivered to both parties, showing executed. That is when it is under contract. A lot of people get confused with it. You go on MLS, you go on HAR, you see option pending, you see under contract, you don't know what it is. I just told you that's what it is. Even if you don't see it on MLS, the contract is what matters. And Texans, licensed realtors use real estate contracts from TREC, the Texas Real Estate Commission, such as the most standard 1 to 4 family residential contract. All right, after it's executed, it is technically under contract once it's been delivered to both parties and to the title company. However, it does not mean that the buyer is locked in to be forced to purchase the property. That's what's different. Because there's also the importance of what are the terms that are in there. Because when the real estate purchase becomes legally binding, there may be additional steps and contingencies involved before the closing of the transaction, such as inspection or option period, third-party financing, title searches. All these contingencies are typically outlined in the contract, and they have to be satisfied in order for the contract to close within a specific timeline. So just because you got a contract and you got it accepted and you're under contract doesn't mean that it's a guarantee. It doesn't mean it's closed. So if you're in Texas, I would really suggest it would be very smart for you to consult with a qualified real estate attorney or a licensed real estate professional who can provide the guidance and ensure compliance with all the laws and regulations of the state. But that is the question that has been answered. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us again on Ryan and Real Estate. We'll see you next time.